Hello everyone, spicy chicken cubes, laziji, is a very popular home-style stir-fry, but many people find that the chicken turns out dry and not tender, and the flavor isn't as good as what you get in restaurants. Today, I'm going to share with you the correct way to make spicy chicken cubes. First, let's prepare a few green chili peppers. Remove the seeds from the peppers. It's best to use these thin-skinned green peppers, as they have a more fragrant aroma. After removing the seeds, cut them in half. Then break them into pieces by hand. This way, the green peppers will absorb more flavor. Prepare 3 fresh chicken legs and remove the bones inside. You can also use chicken breast. Then cut it up. And then dice it. Marinate the chicken by adding a spoonful of salt and a little pepper to remove any odor. Add a little cooking wine. Mix everything well by hand. If the chicken feels a bit sticky while mixing, add half an egg white and continue to mix evenly. The egg white forms a protective layer. This makes the chicken more tender. Then add a spoonful of cornstarch. Mixing in the cornstarch helps lock in the moisture of the chicken so the nutrients aren't lost. Finally, add a little oil to prevent sticking when cooking. Prepare 10 grams of fresh ginger and slice it. After slicing, place it on a plate and cut some scallions into sections. Slice 2 cloves of garlic. Heat an appropriate amount of oil in the wok. When the oil temperature reaches about 30–40% hot, add the chicken thigh meat. Gently stir with chopsticks to ensure the chicken cooks evenly. Once the chicken is completely cooked through and changes color, remove it and drain the oil. The chicken already looks especially tender and smooth. Leave a little oil in the wok, add the green peppers and stir-fry over low heat to fully release their aroma. Once the fragrance comes out, remove the green peppers and set them aside. Add a little oil to the wok, then add the scallions, ginger and garlic and stir-fry until fragrant. Add a small amount of sweet bean paste and stir-fry until the sauce becomes aromatic. Add a little oyster sauce. Add an appropriate amount of light soy sauce, a little cooking wine, and a pinch of pepper, then stir-fry until fragrant. Next, add an appropriate amount of water, a little salt, and a bit of sugar to enhance the flavor. Bring it to a boil over high heat, then add the diced chicken. Stir-fry evenly, letting the chicken cook in the sauce for a while so it absorbs more flavor. Then add the green peppers. Stir-fry everything evenly. Add a little cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce so it coats the ingredients. Finally, add a bit of Sichuan peppercorn oil. Alright, take it out of the pan and plate it up. The delicious spicy diced chicken is ready. The chicken is tender, flavorful, appetizing, and satisfying. If you like it, be sure to save the recipe and give it a try.